In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove autofill passwords on TikTok. So if you want to remove the autofill passwords, for that what you have to do is open the Chrome browser. Simply open the Chrome browser, make sure you're logged in to your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. Over here you'll be able to find this section for passwords and autofill. Tap on this option Google Password Manager that you can see on the screen. Now from here you'll be able to manage the passwords. Over here you'll be able to see all of your saved passwords. So what you have to do is simply find the option for TikTok. Once you do that, tap on this option tiktok.com that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply enter your screen lock. Now you'll be able to see the password saved in your Chrome of the TikTok over here. So if you want TikTok not to autofill the password, what you have to do is simply remove the password. For that, tap on this option delete that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option delete that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the password for TikTok will be deleted. That means now TikTok will not autofill the password. So like this you'll be able to remove autofill password. So that is how you remove autofill passwords on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.